Visiting Dubai as a disabled person, Dubai Disabled Visitor Guide, Disability Horizons Shop. Discover how Dubai excels in making travel enjoyable for disabled visitors, with insights from local expert ENG Ray Jalani. Dubai showcases progress in accessibility, ensuring attractions and facilities are inclusive for people with disabilities. Public spaces now feature ramps, elevators, and tactile paths, making Dubai's vibrant sites accessible to everyone. Dubai's public transport is equipped with wheelchair ramps and designated spaces, promoting independence for people of determination. Hotels in Dubai embrace inclusivity, offering accessible rooms and amenities for guests with mobility challenges. The Dubai Universal Design Code drives the city's commitment to accessibility, setting a global standard for inclusivity. Learn about the Sanad card offering benefits for disabled visitors, enhancing their Dubai travel experience.